What is intervention in lieu of conviction in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm a criminal defense lawyer in Columbus, Ohio, and this video is going to answer that question. Intervention in lieu of conviction, also known as treatment in lieu of conviction, is a program for criminal cases in Ohio. With this program, treatment for substance abuse or mental health problems or intellectual disabilities can lead to the case being entirely dismissed. But before that happens, the defendant needs to be eligible. And the Ohio statutory definition for eligibility is really complex. So before going forward with the process, it's important to review the statute and make sure you're eligible. When you do start that process, you start it by filing a motion for intervention in lieu of conviction. After the motion is filed, the judge will typically have the defendant do an assessment, and the person who does the assessment will send a written report to the judge. Along with the assessment is also a pre-sentence investigation, which is essentially a background check. And also, after the pre-sentence investigation, the judge will schedule a hearing. At the hearing, the judge makes first a determination whether the defendant is eligible for intervention in lieu of conviction, and second, whether the defendant will actually be granted intervention in lieu of conviction. If you are granted intervention in lieu of conviction, then what you need to do is complete what's called an intervention plan, or also called a treatment plan. And if you successfully complete that plan, then the case is entirely dismissed, and you can eventually have all the records for the case sealed. We've helped many clients with intervention in lieu of conviction for felony charges, and we have seen many success stories. So if you have a criminal case in Central Ohio and you think you might be a good candidate for intervention in lieu of conviction, we should discuss that. There are a couple ways that you can reach us to schedule a free phone consultation. The first way is to call the number on the screen, and the second way is to complete a contact form on our website. Either way, we'd be glad to talk to you about your situation, and we hope that you found this information helpful.